worst creator in YouTube is not the worst anymore. He has views, he has likes, and it gives him money now. And not because they are talented, not because they got lucky, but because they uploaded and you didn't. I'm gonna give you a simple plan to do all of this in 1 week. Look, I'm gonna be real with you, okay? Absolutely freaking real with you. A lot of time you wanna start content creation, but you won't. And it's not because you lack ideas or time. It's because you're a freaking coward. You're terrified of the judgment. You're scared of the person in your college or university or school seeing your videos and laughing. I get it. That fear held me back for years too. The thing is, it is stupid. That is completely BS and stupid. That fear is completely irrelevant. Because it's just thoughts that has only one purpose, and it is to make you feel shit and force you to do nothing. Here's how we change it. Step 1. Embrace being trash. You're gonna be terrible when you start, no jokes. Your first video is absolutely garbage, production value non-existent, and that's exactly how it's supposed to be. People think that they aren't interesting enough, and my guy, you don't need a private jet. People watch day in the life videos because they're simply curious about real perspectives. Whether you're a student, a deaf, or someone just trying to survive Gen Z economics, your perspective is a service, and if you don't share it, you're literally robbing people of value. Step 2. The equipment myth. I don't have that 2000 Sony camera. Man, shut up. Use your own phone. Modern phones shoot at 4K. They are literal cinema cameras in your pocket. And audio? I use my phone to record my voiceovers. I know the quality sucks, but hey, my voice isn't supposed to be music to your ears, at least yet. I reduce the noise with tools like Audacity. Download Audacity for free. Use voice memo apps. Use free editing tools like CapCut, or learn Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. Video editing, sound design. It's all a skill, right? The ugly truth. Worried about your face? Look at my channel. I stay anonymous. Nobody watches because of what I look like. They watch because what I have to say. And if you're insecure, use gameplay, use stock footage, or use screen share, GIFs, memes, whatever. Your message is the product, not your face. Don't let vanity stop your progress. Step 4. Failing publicly. This is the big one. What if people from school see it? They might laugh. They might call you cringe, but guess what? In 5 seconds, and under 5 seconds, they'll just scroll and move on to their own miserable lives. That's simply how it is. They just do it for the fun of the game, but they will praise you and your determination once you grow. And remember this, mockery is temporary, success is permanent. Step 5. Content lottery. Not creating content because you might fail is like not taking a free lottery ticket because you might not win. The content lottery is free. Even if you don't hit the jackpot, you walk away with video editing, storytelling, marketing skills. These skills compound with time. The only way to guarantee failure is to stay on the sidelines. Action plan. Do this and you've started yourself a career, basically. Number 1. Pick a topic you actually give a damn about. Number 2. Plan your timings, find a good niche, write script. Number 3. Record something this week. Use your phone. Number 4. Take your time, edit, but in the time frame of this week. Number 5. Publish it, even if it sucks, especially if it sucks. And don't expect results. Just don't. Just keep uploading and you'll make it. And as always, you might as well be one upload away from hearing this course.